Welcome to our in-depth review of the HP OfficeJet Pro 9025e printer. Today, we're exploring how this all-in-one printer is revolutionizing printing in home offices and small businesses. Let's uncover what makes it a compelling choice in the market. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9025e stands out for its exceptional printing speed and increased paper tray capacity, streamlining the printing process considerably. These features are particularly beneficial for those who rely on efficient and frequent printing. Beyond speed, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9025e impresses with its smart technology. The HP Plus Smart Printing System ensures automatic updates and security, while mobile printing capabilities add an extra layer of convenience. Security-wise, the printer's encryption and Wi-Fi security features are robust, ensuring safe handling of sensitive documents. Like any tech product, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9025e has its complexities. Some might find aspects like the instant ink subscription or the occasional paper jam to be points of consideration. However, these are often minor compared to the overall functionality and benefits the printer offers. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9025e is a robust and efficient printer, ideal for upgrading any printing setup. Its blend of modern design, ease of use, and effective operation makes it a strong candidate for both home and small business environments. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a new printer, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9025e is worth considering. Check out the link in the description below to learn more and make your purchase on Amazon. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and insights.